Souljets is proud to introduce this one-of-a-kind Douglas DC-6, the most iconic airliner of the post-war era. The DC-6 evokes a place and a time in history when even children wore suit and tie as they flew the skies in search of exotic destinations and international adventure. This emblem of mid-century engineering highlights the vision of its creators, conceiving a classic yet robust aircraft that can perform effortlessly in the modern world. This stunning DC-6 with a luxurious interior is able to cross oceans in classic style.
We disassembled the complete airplane into small pieces, overhauled all the components, replaced all the parts needed, we replaced all the corroded skin panels, and eventually put it back together in a planned sequence, and all of a sudden, without surprise of course, we had a good-looking, better than new DC-6 in the hangar again.
Widely regarded as the finest piston engine airliner of all time, this benchmark design is the pinnacle of propeller-driven airliner development. The engineers charged with accomplishing this restoration task are among the few to have undertaken such a project before. Their close attention to detail matches craftsmanship and skill with a willingness to embrace new technology when appropriate.
It has quite advanced systems for the age of the airplane, but still simple and therefore, of course, reliable. When you also fly the airplanes, when you know the airplane as a technician or engineer, you know when you pull the yoke, you can follow all the sequence of the things that are happening. When you move the throttle forward, you know what the engine is doing, you know what levers are moving, what valves are opening. It's something you have to experience yourself, you know.
Powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney R2800 double WASP radial engines, the best piston engine to see commercial service. This ideal 1950s aircraft burns no more fuel than a modern Embraer lineage business jet, built 5 decades later.
The big advantage of the DC-6 is actually you can fly at low altitudes, at lower levels, which makes, of course, the flight experience more scenic. You can do the flight at more scenic levels. It has, of course, for the passengers, huge cabin windows, but you can still, of course, fly at higher altitudes. It has a pressurized, air-conditioned cabin, and this provides all the comfort and pleasure for the passengers that you can imagine.
This DC-6 is the portrait of elegance, comfortably accommodating up to 28 guests, and with 10,000 horsepower, this striking airliner is a strong performer and unique find. Able to operate from short runways and a wide variety of surfaces, whether snow, grass, or gravel. This is an exclusive opportunity to own the most sophisticated airline ever built, the only one to be restored to this standard. Souljets, freedom, adventure delivered.